Hi there, I'm Thomas. Today I'd like to show you how to inspect details with the FreeScan UE Pro2 in this Automotve parts factory. Our focus will be on scanning the punch tool of stamping machine to capture its geometry and dimensions, measure its size, and check for wear. The punch tool is primarily used for metal forming operations. It helps efficiently and accurately produce various Automotve parts, meeting production needs and ensuring quality and consistency. Regular inspection of the punch is crucial to maintain precision and prevent wear and tear, ensuring the longevity and reliability of the stamping process. Here we have FreeScan UE Pro2, a powerful wireless metrology 3D scanner. With the accuracy up to 0.02 mm, FreeScan UE Pro2 delivers consistent and reliable scanning results, and its integrated inspection module facilitates quick on-site quality control, streamlining the workflow effortlessly with all-in-one shop floor solution. FreeScan UE Pro2 has 3 functions for versatile applications. They are 50 laser lines, 7 parallel laser lines, and single line. In this case, let's choose 50 laser lines. And don't forget set the point distance to 0.2 mm for thinner details. The 50 laser lines captures data super fast. Let's start scanning. As we can see, the intuitive and powerful scan software displays mesh data in real time. There's also a data quality indicator to present the quality of the collected data, providing immediate feedback. Blue indicates sufficient scan data, while yellow suggests we need to rescan this area. By observing the rendering color of the laser line in the software, we can determine if the scan distance is appropriate. Here's the mesh data we've just captured. The details are clear, allowing us to perform thorough inspections. Now we move on the inspection part. We can create a cylinder feature to measure the diameter of the punch. This helps us check for wear and ensure the tool meets the required specifications. With its reliable accuracy, wireless convenience, and integrated inspection module, FreeScan UE Pro2 is a perfect tool for detailed inspections. Inspect on the move with the FreeScan UE Pro2. For more information, please follow our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.